Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time. There's going to be a lot happening in 2018, so make sure you subscribe because I'll be talking about things other than makeup too. And I think you'll be interested. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot, and please keep watching. Good morning. It's New Year's Eve. I have absolutely no plans. In fact, my plans today are to go to my dad's house, sit on the sofa in the most comfortable clothes I have, which is possibly what I'm wearing right now. There's like a Disney sweater going on, and chill. I'm gonna hang out with my little sister, probably drink some Moscato, and just relax. I want to start the year off with a little bit of the least amount of stress as possible. Relaxed. Yeah, that's the plan. Anyways, so the plan today is to show you how to do some simple everyday makeup. I've had some requests for that, so I'm just going to go ahead and we're gonna get into it. First thing I like to do is my brows. So my favorite brow product is by the Brow Gal. This is the Convertible Brow 2. And I like to use it wet because it acts more like a pomade. I tend to use this product every day. So I'm just gonna go into it with a wet angle brush and just do my brows really quick. I'll probably speed this part up. So I went ahead and finished my brows off camera, and then I used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime my eyebrows, not my eyebrows, to prime my eyes. I'm frazzled because in the middle of filming my eyebrows earlier, I heard a weird noise downstairs, and it turns out my 8-month-old Australian Shepherd puppy was eating my sofa again for like the 5th time. Like, the sofa is embarrassing. I can't have people come over anymore because of what she's done to it. So I had to run downstairs, catch her in the act, and now she's in timeout. So I'm trying to calm down. So lately I've been using this product that I got from Glam Glow. It is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I don't know that I have that much left, but we're gonna use a little. Oh, there's some. Since it's winter and the weather is very dry, I use a lot of prep products on my face. The Becca First Light Priming Filter, just a little bit, you know, you don't have to overdo it. So I want to kind of have a glow today, so I'm going to use my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector liquid right here. Just a little bit on my fingers. You can almost see immediately how it makes your skin radiant. Next, I'm going to prime using the Japonesque Velvet Touch Primer. A lot of the stuff is smaller because I did a lot of holiday shopping and I got a lot of sample size products, so I like using them. I'm going to use a little bit of under eye corrector. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin under eye corrector. It's pink. By the way, if you have advice on how to handle a destructive puppy, please let me know because I don't know what to do anymore. I'm even giving her these like calming, all natural treats. Don't think they're working. So I'm not using foundation today. Instead, I'm going to use my It Cosmetics CC cream. This is great. It's color correcting, it's full coverage cream, and it has anti-aging and SPF 50. Just put some on my finger. It smells like tea tree oil. You're noticing I'm not using a blending brush or a beauty blender or a foundation brush because you don't have to for this makeup. At least not for your face. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Sand. This you can technically do with your fingers, but I prefer using a beauty sponge. It's gonna just be better melting and blending into your other products. See? Quicker, easier. So I'm going to quickly set it using my Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder. It doesn't have to be a crazy amount to bake. I'm not concerned about baking today, but I do want to set it. If you have super oily skin, then you probably would want to bake it, but since the weather is pretty dry, I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm going to use my Morphe 35T palettes. The first color I'm going to use is right here in the corner. What I'm going to use is right here. Just building up that crease and transition. Focusing on the outside. Next, I'm going to go into the color right here. Okay, and finally I'm going to use my finger. I'm just going to go into the color right here on my lid. This is the benefit of not having super long acrylic nails on. Because they're a hassle. They're a hassle. And there's no better application than your finger for really nice colors of eyeshadow. We're going to try this color. Using that same Y22 pencil brush, I'm going to go into this color right here. And just buff out the lower lash line. Next, taking my poofy brush, I'm going to get rid of any excess powder here. So usually I do cream contour, but my sister got me the new Tarte palettes. So this is what we're gonna use. I'm gonna go in with this middle color. Try that first. Pretty good actually. I would say a little goes a long way, so kind of buff it in and bounce it in lightly. But I do have a Tarte blush. This is in the color Party, so we're going to use that. So I'm going to use Highlight by Vintage. It has a really nice glow. Quickly, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Ultimate Ozone Multipurpose Primer Pencil and prime my lips. Next, I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs highliner in black and lining my waterline. When you have hooded eyes, this helps a lot. I'm not going all the way with the black on the lower waterline because this is just a daytime look, so I'll probably go in with a lighter color. This is the color Jewel. It's an eyeliner by NYX. I'm going to try this out. Next, I'm using Lash Paint. It's the mascara by Tarte. I'm just going to use the color Delish. Again, this is another Tarte lip paint. No, this is not sponsored by Tarte. I'm just really into Tarte right now. I'm going to lighten up the center a little bit using Pillow Talk.